What if you could make over $100 a day without a degree, special skills, or any prior experience? Sounds too good to be true, right? Well, it's not. There are real side hustles out there that require nothing but your time, a little effort, and the right strategy. In this video, I'm breaking down the best side hustles that anyone can start today. No fancy equipment, no technical skills, just proven ways to make money fast. Stay with me until the end because I'll also share a powerful bonus tip that can help you scale your earnings even further. Now, let's dive in. Step 1. Freelance gigs, easy and flexible work. One of the fastest ways to make 100 plus a day is by offering simple freelance services. You don't need to be an expert. You just need to find what businesses are willing to pay for. Content writing companies and bloggers are always looking for fresh articles. Platforms like Fiverr and Upwork can connect you with clients instantly. Virtual assistants, helping small businesses with tasks like email management or scheduling, can bring in steady cash. Simple graphic design. You can create logos and social media posts using free tools like Canva and sell them on marketplaces. The best part? You can start with zero investment and build your reputation over time. Step 2. Online selling. No inventory needed. If you don't want to work for someone else, you can make money by selling products online. And no, you don't need to stock inventory. Print on demand POD. Sell custom t-shirts, mugs, or phone cases using platforms like Redbubble or Teespring. You upload designs and they handle the printing and shipping. Drop shipping. Sell trending products without touching inventory. Use Shopify and partner with suppliers from AliExpress. Flipping items. Buy cheap products from thrift stores or clearance sales and resell them on eBay or Facebook Marketplace. Online selling is great because you can scale it up fast once you find winning products. Step 3. Affiliate marketing, passive income potential. If you're looking for a side hustle that pays over time, affiliate marketing is a solid option. Here's how it works. 1. Join an affiliate program. Amazon Associates, ClickBank, and ShareASale are great places to start. 2. Promote products through social media, blogs, or YouTube. 3. Earn commissions whenever someone buys using your link. The beauty of this method? You don't need to create a product, just promote ones that already exist. And once you build traffic, it can generate income passively. Step 4. Local side hustles. Quick cash opportunities. Not a fan of online work? No worries. There are plenty of local hustles that can bring in $100 plus per day. Pet sitting or dog walking apps like Rover let you earn money just by spending time with pets. House cleaning or moving. Help. You can list your services on Craigslist and Facebook Marketplace. Renting out your car or space. If you have a spare room, Airbnb can help you turn it into an income stream. These side hustles require little to no investment and start paying immediately. Bonus tip. Stack your side hustles for faster growth. The best way to maximize earnings is by stacking multiple hustles. Start with freelancing to get quick cash, then reinvest that money into affiliate marketing or online selling to build a long-term stream. The key is to start today. You won't make money overnight, but the sooner you begin, the faster you'll reach your goal. Which side hustle are you going to try first? Let me know in the comments. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss a new money-making tip. See you in the next video.